welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and this adorable little bell. Hi guys! Happy 2020 to the world's best subbies ever. Hi guys, I have missed you so very much. But there's one thing I have to say, taking this little break, I am all refreshed and ready to tackle 2020. And I mean, I got so many ideas for so many amazing videos. I cannot wait to share them with you guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited for the new year. I'm really excited for the new year. I can't wait to see what 2020 brings us, right? Anyways, you saw the title of the video. This is my takedown. And can you hear that? It's like echoey. It's so echoey in my house because I took down all the decor, everything. I haven't put up one single thing yet. It is empty. The tables are empty. The hutches are empty. The walls are empty. The kitchen is empty. The family room is empty. Everything is empty. Okay. I pre-recorded what you're about to see right now, and this is motivation, and this is my trick, and this might work for you because I know a lot of you are taking down your Christmas as we speak. So get organized before you take it all down, because it is a new year and you want to know where everything is and be organized. So that's what I did. So I'm going to roll the clips. And then make sure you come back to the end of the video and I'll tell you where we're headed in 2020. Okay guys, so that is where I keep my everyday decor on these shelves here. And if you can see on the floor, it's really bad. I just kind of threw stuff here and there. And now we're gonna pan this way. I have storage bags, those vacuum sealed storage bags. Obviously, you can tell that I've opened them and the vacuum seal isn't good anymore. And oh my God, I'm so embarrassed to even show this part here. This is, tilt you this way so you can see. If you look down here, there's all these bins and boxes and it all continues up to there. And it's a zoo. Okay. And then if you look on that side over there, do you see the bins there, the tall bins there? That is Easter on the far end, and then fall. And if you look on top of the fall, I still have the decor that I still haven't put away from the fall. So it's really a big mess. Okay, let's go back this way so you get an idea of what I'm working with. I am going to build 2 more shelves. I have them here. There's one, and then there's another one here on the floor. And also on this side over here, I have more florals and more decor that I gotta go through and get this organized. So hopefully this video will motivate you. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a quick look at everything all organized. All that is Christmas. You can see there and over here. And then Okay, guys, all the Christmas bins are put away. I just want to show you this. I use these space bags right here to put pillows in and blankets. That's how I organize it, and all this is all organized. I'm going to try and go as slow as possible, but I did get this entire space organized. If you see here, this is like all my everyday decor. Hope you can see it. Oh, my video skills are good. But yeah, it's all organized. Everything's put away in its place. And now I'm going to take you upstairs so you could see the house empty. Okay, guys, this is what you see when you come up from the basement. So I'm just going to show you. Look how empty it is. Guys, there is absolutely no decor, just the furniture. And see that big pile over there? I'll show you that on Monday. And that's it. I left the lantern. I actually finally did put back my welcome sign. There's boots by the front door because there's 1,000 billion people here. Everything's gone. Everything is gone. It feels nice, and it's given me some time to look at it empty and see where I want to go. Oh my God! Look at the family room. Wait till you see this. Crazy. Look at it, completely empty. But you see those beautiful lanterns? They were a gift from my sweet, sweet, sweet friend. Oh, I don't know if I can mention her name. Guys, I did get so many cards from you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love those lanterns. Girlfriend, you know who you are. I love it. Oh, the trees are still here, but they are taken down now. But I just wanted to show you where everything was like all empty and gone. I know, it looks like a blank slate. Looks like we either are moving in or just are about to move out. My cousin said to me, so just move out now. I thought that was cute. Anyways, look at the kitchen. Oh, I don't know where I'm going really in the kitchen, but this is what was left. That's it. It's just a clean slate. And I did change out my curtains, if you can see that there. I had these other ones there, and I did change them out. Oh, and I did change out the chalkboard sign to the Happy New Year. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I always post the chalk art every time I do it. You can see my dad in the background. And our clean dishes in the sink. Those are clean, guys. What do you think? I told you, it's completely empty. It's completely empty. I'm really, really excited for this year. I'm excited to see what 2020 is going to hold, where decor is going to go. Me personally, I'm changing stuff up again. Okay, so these are my ideas of where I think I would like my decor to go. I love farmhouse and I love French country. I want to find a way for you guys and for me to make over our homes to look really high end, like you've spent a ton of money, but on this much of a budget. Because you guys know I love a great deal. And I am the queen of shopping. I love to shop. I love to shop, but I make it like a fun thing because I always look for deals. So this year I thought to myself, that's what the main focus of my channel is gonna be. How to get your house to look really high end, but on a budget. So everything I'm gonna buy is either gonna be on clearance or on sale, and I'm gonna share all the clearance sales with you guys. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so. I'm gonna leave my Instagram right here, and all the stuff is in the description down below. I'm also gonna leave the description, the links for my company down below, because, oh, you just wait. You just wait. I have so many surprises for you guys. I've been a little busy bee around here. You just wait. You just wait. So I'm very motivated for the new year. I'm very motivated to expand my channel in a new direction. There is going to be decor like crazy. This year, I want to like to the max, decor to the max. I want to bring you guys really good informative videos with great deals and how to shop and really out of the box thinking on decor. So that's where I'm going. So you guys leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. I hope you had an amazing beginning to your year. My family's still here. Oh, and Christmas was fantastic. Oh my goodness, Christmas was so much fun, guys. My cousins came, my parents were here, my daughter, the babies were here, and then we had a surprise guest. A girlfriend of mine came with her son. My sweet, sweet, sweet cousins gave me a crock pot. I love it. Now I gotta find crock pot recipes. I got so many beautiful gifts. I wasn't expecting them. My daughter filled a few more spots in my bracelet for me. That was really sweet of her. This whole bracelet is given to me by Angela, so that it's very sentimental to me. That's why I never take it off. You'll always see it. And yeah, we had a fantastic Christmas. I relaxed. I spent a lot of time with my cousin. We were shenaniganing a lot. And if you follow me on Instagram, like I tell you guys, you would have seen that we were shopping in Buffalo, New York. She couldn't keep up as much as me, but that's okay. I got amazing deals, guys. I got amazing deals. Wait till you see what I got. That will be Monday's video. Okay, enough of me yip-yapping. I love you guys. From the bottom of my heart, to the world's best subscribers, and to anyone that's new here, you should join. Guys, I will see you on Monday. Have an amazing weekend. And get to organizing, get everything cleaned up, refresh your space, because I'm going to bring you some cool stuff. Bye, guys. Mwah. Love ya. I'll see you soon.